up, guys? So what we are going to do is we're going to do the sneeze prank. I had to go in this kind of area because Dominic, my brother, he was just coming downstairs, but then he went to go back up. So we're going to do the prank on him. It's the sneeze prank, and I'm going to go set up the camera before he comes. So let's go.
Hi.
Kind of sneezy here.
Achoo! What is wrong with you?
Jeez. Ow, you hurt my thumb. I set up the camera right there, Dominic.
I know.
How'd you know? Good thing is that he did not know, guys. You, little boy, hurt my thumb bad right now.
It was just a prank. I was.
We all know he's lying. He threw a bottle at me. Psychopath. Thank you guys so much for watching. So, Dominic, are you going to do a bottle flip?
Sure, but not here. Over here.
Where the lighting is good.
Yeah, right here.
Do it then.
I've never done this.
Wow, that was horrible.
Yeah, but
Attempt number 2. Oh, okay. Whatever. Attempt number 3. Wow, still
my
horrible.
little sister.
Okay.
She
Dab,
was like
dab,
this.
dab,
She
dab.
didn't do it. She was just like this. She threw it like that. She threw it. And it went like this. And it was like right in the triangle sticks. And she landed it like that.
Wow.
Like in there.
She has powers. Oh, I'm
No,
kidding.
she doesn't. It's hard.
Yeah, sure it is.
Oh my god. It literally.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Now we are actually going to cut the camera. Wow, it's so disappointing.
You're disappointed.
Bye.
No.